Welcome to your dream home in Venetian Bay. Nestled in the heart of Venetian Bay, this stunning property offers the perfect blend of modern living and serene surroundings. With its thoughtfully designed open floor plan, this home invites natural light to flood every corner, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. This home was built just 4 years ago and features a fenced-in backyard, making it ideal for gatherings, kids, and pets to play freely and safely. Enjoy peaceful mornings and breathtaking sunsets overlooking a tranquil lake from your bedroom or porch. You are walking distance to a delectable restaurant, scenic nature trails, and picturesque sidewalks. Plus, just minutes away from the Venetian Bay Town Center and shops, and an exceptional golf course is just a stone's throw away. Whether you're strolling along the nature paths or relaxing by the water, this community offers